What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, welcome back to another awesome Tech Tip Tuesdays, and I'm hoping everyone is doing well, so let's get into it. All right, so today is all about controlling the taskbar within Windows 10, all right? So on my desktop, I'm gonna right-click on the Start menu, click on Run, type in WinVer, hit OK, and I'm doing everything within a Windows 10 build 19592. So the taskbar, the taskbar itself has its own settings that you're able to modify for yourself to fit your workflow, right? So if you right click on the taskbar, you're going to see Taskbar Settings. We're going to click on it. Now the first one, by default, it is locked, meaning you're not able to move the taskbar at all. But if you just slide it to your left to turn it off, this allows you to move the taskbar anywhere you want. Left, right, up, top, whatever. Make it larger, smaller, is up to you, right? Second option within the taskbar settings is automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So when you slide it to your right, taskbar is hidden. Automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. If you are using Windows 10 on a tablet, this right here will hide the taskbar for you and give you more of a real estate on the display to manage your tablet. The next feature is use small taskbar buttons. I like to use this a lot. So when you slide it to your right to turn it on, everything kind of shrinks down to a small little icon. I love that feature. The next feature is use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the show desktop button at the end of the taskbar. So if you take your mouse, right, this is my mouse right here, and you move it all the way to this corner right here, what happens is it kind of gives you a preview of the desktop. This is like show desktop on the Mac world. So when you turn it on, you put your mouse over to the corner, it kind of just makes everything disappear for you to see your desktop. Now the next one is replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell. By default, it is turned on. So when you right click on your start menu, you're gonna get the option of Windows PowerShell or Windows PowerShell as admin. If you want to use command prompt as your default, just slide that guy to your left to turn it off. And then when you right click on the start menu, you're going to see your command prompt and command prompt as an admin options there. Now another option is show badges on the taskbar. Badges are basically, if you're using the mail app, you will see like a little number on top of the icon stating that you have a new email. By default, it's turned on. You are able to turn that off. It's up to you. The next feature is all about the taskbar location on the screen. By default, it is located on the bottom, but if you hit that drop down menu, you are able to change it to your left, right, or top. The next option in the list is combine taskbar buttons. I think by default, they have always hide labels. I like to have my option as never. For the taskbar settings, you are able to also customize your notification area. If you click on select which icon appears on the taskbar, it gives you a list of stuff you could turn on and turn off within your taskbar. By default, you got volume and network, but you are able to turn on Windows Explorer. Next one on the list is turn system icons on and off. If you click on that link, it gives you the list of all the stuff that you could turn off and on. By default, it gives you the clock, volume, network. If you don't want that stuff, you could just turn it off just to clean up your taskbar. Now, if you have multiple displays, which I don't have, that's the reason why mine is grayed out. If you have a secondary monitor, you are able to turn on show taskbar on all displays and then make modifications to show the taskbar button on a particular monitor, and also combine buttons on other taskbars. Last thing on the list is people. If you slide that guy to your right to turn it on, you are able to choose how many contacts to show up. By default, it is set to 3, but if you hit that drop down menu, the max right now is only 10. And then the last couple of things is show my people notifications. All that stuff is turned on by default. You are able to turn it off. And that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday, all about controlling the taskbar. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button. Also punch, elbow, smash that subscribe button to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.